Hello everyone, so for today video we'll be talking about oscilloscope, function generator and types of waveform.
Hi, my name is Mohamad Ridzal bin Duat and my matrix number is 07DTK23F1040.
And hi, my name is Clement Elisius. My matrix number is 07DTK23F2002.
In our topic, there's 5 types of waveform. 1 is sine, 2 is square, 3 is pulse, and 4 triangle, 5 is sawtooth. What is function generator? Function generator is an electric device that produces various types of waveform, such as sine, square, triangle, sawtooth, and pulse waveform. There is parts of function generator. One is frequency display. It's to display or show waveform. 2. Frequency wave button is to change the frequency of waveform. 3. Power button, which is to switch on or off device. 4 is function to change type of waveform. 5 is main output. And how exactly you're gonna use function generator? How to use function generator is you must connect some wires to the BNC jack labeled 5 ohms, which is the main output. In our topic, we use oscilloscope probe. The voltage waveform will appear on the probe tip. You can change types of waveform in function area. Change the frequency of the waveform to appropriate frequency range button. Now you know how to use function generator, but before you use it, there's also precautions for function generator. There are so many precautions for function generator, so I'm only gonna explain 3 of them. 1 is power supply. Ensure that the function generator is connected to a stable power source with the correct voltage and polarity. It is to avoid overloading the power supply. 2. Temperature. Keep the function generator in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating. It is to avoid blocking ventilation. 3. Calibration. Periodically calibrate the function generator to maintain accurate output signals. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for calibration intervals and procedures. That's it from me. Thank you.
So as for my part is oscilloscope. Oscilloscope is a device that lets you view changes in voltage over time. So as you can see, there are a lot of parts of oscilloscope in this slide you can see. First of all is display screen, which display or shows the waveform, and the second is vertical control, which moves the waveform up and down vertically. So for horizontal control, it's a control that moves the waveform left and right. So as for here, it's trigger control, which stabilize the repetitive waveform and capture single shot waveform. Time per division. It's to adjust the horizontal scale of division, and for volt per division is to adjust size of waveform. For power button is to switch on and off the oscilloscope. Okay, so how to use oscilloscope? So firstly, you must have the oscilloscope probe, which looks like this, and you need to plug the BNC plug on the back, plug into the main part. So you need ground clip, which to attach the circuit ground, or as you can know is negative terminal of the battery. And for the tip is to measure voltage in the circuit. Attach the tip of the probe to the part of the circuit that you want to measure. So for precaution, there are a lot of precautions while using oscilloscope, but I'm just going to explain 3 of them, and one of them is observe all terminal ratings. To avoid fire or shocks hazard, observe all ratings and markings on the product. Then for second is do not operate in wet condition. Operating in wet condition might lead to electric shocks or damage to equipment. And thirdly is avoid exposed circuitry. Do not touch exposed connection and components when power is present. That's all from us. Thank you.